Alright, here at Calabar, St. George's College 4, Calabar 0. Coach, talk us through the game. What happened today?
I think that we made too many unforced errors. A lot of goalkeeping errors. Gifted St. George's College a lot of the goals. Our goalkeeper wasn't really into the game at all today. He was very hesitant, and a lot of the opportunities, if he had been more aggressive coming off his line, he would have been able to stop them. All in all, it's a young team. We have a couple of 14-year-olds that we started on the flanks, and it's a work in progress. It's something that is going to have to grow. It's not going to happen overnight, and that's one of the reasons why I asked for a 3-year program so that we could work. This is the first year. I think we did reasonably well this season. We are competitive in all our games, and every game, even the games that we lost, we have been competitive. And I think that we played a quality St. George's College team. I think we played them a lot better down at St. George's College than we played them here at home. But we have had a lot of injuries throughout the season, and the young players are just going to have to learn to acclimatise and understand that manning up against quality teams, they can't make mistakes, and that's what we did today.
Alright, coach, you mentioned a couple individual players. Talk to me about number 20. Your captain seemed like one of the best players on the pitch today from either team.
Yeah.
Speak to us about that player.
He's a good player, Fitzroy McLeod, good central defender, works hard, good reader of the game, and he has been the mainstay in our defensive unit. He has played well, and if we had about 10 more of him, we would have been further up the table. But that's what it is, You're going to have to develop the young players. We have a lot of 16-year-olds and 15-year-olds and 14-year-olds that we are trying to develop, and I think next year they'll put in a better showing.
Right, as you earlier mentioned, coach, this is a new program. Calabar is trying to go in a new direction. First step was hiring you. Is this task a bit harder than you expected it to be?
No, I expected it to be hard, and that is why I took the job, because I love challenges, and I know it was going to be challenging, and I'm up to the task. I'm willing to work with the players. I only got them 6 weeks before the season started, so I knew what I had ahead of me. And I know I'm going to have to continue to work, and it's a work in progress. And now that I'm here at the school, I have more time and more leniency to actually do the things that I want to do and to incorporate a football culture and a philosophy here. And I believe that next year you'll see a better Calabar Manning Cup team, as all our youth teams, both Colts and Pepsi.
All right, coach. Finally, Calabar is out of the. You guys will not be advancing to the second round. Where do you go from here? Where does Calabar go from here in terms of football?
We start planning. We start planning from now. We want to see if we can keep these youngsters together and keep them playing in tournaments in Casafa, where we can continue to build that camaraderie and that bond with the rest of the team. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to start early and start playing a lot of games, giving them a little exposure. You carry them out of Kingston, go into the rural areas and play young under 15, under 16, under 17 teams, and develop a camaraderie and understanding between them. So it's a work in progress.
All right, coach. Thank you for talking to us.